How to change flight dates on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can change your flight date on Qatar Airways. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, at the top part of the screen, you'll see an instruction being displayed, like changing or a set of instructions being displayed, and then below it you see some tabs which include explore, book, experience, privilege, club, and by the time you scroll down you would see other options as well. So once you can see this and you can see all of this, the next step is to click on manage booking. And how can you do this? By going to the lower part of the screen where you can see a box display options like book a flight, quarter stopover, manage slash check in. Just click on that. Now, once you click on manage slash checked in, you can see two options: manage booking, check in. Ensure you select manage booking, and then the box displayed. Ensure you input the booking reference, the last name, and then click on retrieve booking. Once you click on retrieve booking, you'll be taken to your flight page. That is that particular booking that you've entered its reference and your last name. And then once you've done that, you can now choose the flight you wish to change. All right. So after choosing the flight you wish to change, you'll be taken to the place or the page where you'll see details about the flight. All right. So click on change your flight and then follow the on-screen instructions to select a new flight date. But it was note that additional charges and fares differences may apply. All right. So be careful whenever you're changing your flight because you might have to pay more. This is how it works. Okay. Very, very simple. Ensure you change that flight date today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.